Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be walking you through how to use the Amazon Relay app as a driver. If you are just starting with Amazon Relay or want to optimize your use of the app, this video will show you everything step by step. So let's dive right in. Step 1 is logging into the Amazon Relay app. First, open the Amazon Relay app on your device. Log in using your Amazon account details. Make sure this is the same account you use for your driving work with Amazon. If you are a first-time user, you may need to go through a simple setup and permission process. Just like this screenshot shows, you can create your account by clicking on the create your account button. Also, you can sign up with your credential. Then step 2 is overview of the dashboard. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Here you will have access to all of your scheduled trips, important notifications and features like the map and navigation tools. This is the central hub where you can access everything you need to manage your deliveries efficiently. Step 3 is viewing and understanding your trips. Next, tap on trips to view all your current upcoming deliveries. Each trip displays key details like the load ID, pickup and delivery locations, estimated time, and special instructions. You can tap on a specific trip to get more detailed information, including duration and required check-in times. Now step 4 is starting a trip and using navigation. Just like this screenshot shows here, when you are ready to start a trip, select the trip and you will see an option to begin navigation. Tap on it and Amazon Relay will guide you through the route using a map interface. This navigation tool is designed to show track legal routes, making it easier and safer to drive without worry. Step 5 is checking in at pickup and delivery points. When you arrive at a pickup or delivery location, you will need to check in through the app. This lets the facility and Amazon Relay know you have arrived. Tap check-in on the app and it will log your arrival time. Remember, some facilities might have specific instructions, so make sure to read any pop-ups or alerts. Now, step 6 is viewing important alerts and notifications. The app will send you real-time alerts if there are changes to your load or route. You can view this in the notification section. This feature is really handy as it keeps you updated if there's any issue like a delay or rerouting, so you can plan accordingly. Step 7 is completing the trip and marking it as finished. Once you have completed all deliveries in a trip, you will be prompted to mark the trip as finished. Simply tap complete trip and the app will log your completion time and remove it from your active trips. You are all set to move on to the next load. Step 8 is reviewing performance and payment details. In the app, you can also view your performance and payment details. Under performance, as like this screenshot shows, you will find insights on your punctuality, safety, and overall driving stats. For payments, you can check the estimated payment amount per trip or view a breakdown of past trips and earnings. You will get the payment option breakdown of performance, and here in this performance section you will be graded. Your performance will be graded according the A grade, B grade and C grade. Then from here, the payment section, you will find the payments, the earnings you have earned at the past trips. And here is the notification bell where you can find the updates about your trips and rerouting. And this is the checkbox where your completion is marked. This is a most useful thing in this app. By this feature you can analyze your states of 1 month, 2 month or a year, or also you can set updates. And that's it. With the Amazon Relay app, you can easily manage your trips, track your progress, and stay informed about any changes along your route. I hope this walkthrough helped you get more familiar with the app. If you have any questions or need more tips, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.